Do you know many people are having trouble with their Siemens iQ300 WT45H208IT Dryer not drying clothes properly? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Spread warm laundry. Spread out the warm laundry to allow the heat to disperse. Adjust the dryness level for longer drying without increasing temperature. Step 2. Select longer program. Select a program with a longer drying time or increase the dryness level to ensure your clothes dry properly. Step 3. Use timed program. If clothes are still damp, use a timed program to add extra drying time while ensuring you don't exceed the maximum load capacity. Step 4. Clean moisture sensor. Clean the moisture sensor in the drum to remove limescale or detergent residues that might be affecting functionality. Step 5. Clean fluff filter. Check and clean the fluff filter or EasyClean filter regularly to avoid longer drying times. Step 6. Check air inlet. Ensure the air inlet is not blocked and the room temperature is between 15°C and 30°C for optimal drying. Ventilate the room for better air circulation. By following these steps, your Siemens iQ300 WT45H208IT Dryer should work effectively and dry your clothes as expected. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Siemens users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.